beach wave is this kind of soft S wave. It's Asian hair, so it still has that shine to it. It has a sheen to it. And really the question is, who is beach wave for? Who is a beach wave client? It is available in the cut point weft. It is also available in the coveted weft in like a smaller palette of colors. But the beach wave is really great for your clients who like to let their hair air dry a little bit. When they get thrown into a pool, their hair isn't stick straight, so they want to be able to embrace a little bit of that natural texture that would arrive when they're, on spring break, going on vacation, or just if they're an active, kind of on the go mom and they don't have time to get blowouts all the time. So it's also great for your clients who might have naturally wavy hair, but this isn't going to introduce a bunch of frizzy wavy hair, right? This is more of your sleek wave. It'll look like they got a keratin treatment. It just has it has the texture without the frizz. It's really great as you start to transition into spring, summer, early fall. And it's also really great not to do a full head transformation with it. A lot of the best transformations just take 1 or 2 wefts of the beach wave and adding it into your install just gives a little bit of movement and fluffiness to your clients. And so, you don't have to think about a full beach wave transformation. A lot of times just taking 1 or 2 wefts, popping it in, and introducing just a little bit of texture makes your clients have a lot more of a low maintenance experience having hair extensions.